What is transformation really? That was the question I was asking myself, and still now here with you in this moment. And this guy is the one that lit up my face when I was reaching into my palm stone basket. Transformation is truly about transmuting, changing, lifting, letting go, releasing, healing, forgiving, and accepting and receiving. All of that. So what is that? It's transcendence. We transcend. We rise above whatever it is we're feeling, working through, wanting to let go of. And that's kind of what this is all about. Sharing these moments with you in the morning early along my walks. Even walking is a way of transforming, moving energy. This is Shiva lingham. These are naturally formed, and I love the different patterns, especially, each one that has their patterns. Transformation. We're always doing some kind of letting go or healing or redirecting our thoughts, opening to receive, giving of ourselves differently, more, less, shifting our views, and being willing to walk into and through our own path. It's not always easy to follow your path. It's like, oh my God, do I really want to do that? I don't know. I'd really rather just stay in bed some mornings and not walk and not water the garden or do anything. And yet, here I am. And here are you. Here you are. You are walking your path the best you can. And sometimes that actually means letting go of what is supposed to be happening today or tomorrow, or what didn't happen yesterday. Shiva lingham. Just roll this around in your hand. They come from a specific river, I don't remember the name, in India, and this is their natural form. Now, there are some that are so huge, you need a forklift just to pick them up. I've seen them, they're humongous. Anyway, transformation. It's like taking another journey within your journey along your path. We get to make decisions every single day, sometimes too many it feels like. And this morning I was reminded that I am to record 2 activation sessions for some of the crystal kits, and I went, oh yeah, okay. Not that I don't want to do them, it's just I hadn't gotten to them yet. And the timing, the energy needs to be right. That's not a cop-out. It is honoring where you are in the moment and doing what you can with where you are. So, where are you going along on your path? What are you working on transforming, transmuting, transcending, rising above in your own life, on your own path, in your business, in your healing? What are you doing, beautiful soul? And do come visit the Crystal Boutique. Link is down below. And I'll see you again soon.